lot of comments about my Hornet. I'm going to go ahead and give you a little quick tour of the Hornet by Damon. It's a 1995 Class C. It's on a Chevy Van 30 350. Beautiful little thing. The owner was a one-owner situation. Poor guy passed away when he was around 93, 94 years old. Man took immaculate care of this thing. It has one window in the rear, two windows, one on the side, one on the other side. Obviously two little windows up on the top cab. You got the generic hot water heater. You got the refrigerator, igniter, condenser, a couple of power outlets. Got the 10-gallon propane tank. Little vent here for my battery, my house battery. This is the front of the motorhome. This is the window, beautiful big windows here. "20 feet long." Just replaced the tires. It's got the Onan 2.8 genset micro light generator. Runs with the AC, which is awesome. The AC runs with the generator, I should say. You got your basic city water connection, and then the fill tank. You got the heater vent, air blower. You got your 30 amp connection cable. That's where I store my, you can see in there, my little cable for my cable TV setup. Your little gas, obviously, gas tank. Rear window. I love these the bumpers here. Obviously, you get your dump tank hose in there. There's your hose connection. You got the fresh water tank. You got the hot water, black water tank. I don't know if you can see them, but the tanks are underneath there. Get your rear window. I added these little black tubes on here so I can put my flag inside there, and then I got my HD antenna pole inside the other one. Like I said, it's a 20-foot Class C. Great condition. Let's go inside. Not that people haven't seen Class C's before, but everybody seems to be wanting to know how I'm doing it. There's obviously the front step. I've got raised flooring. They've been replaced throughout the whole 20-foot camper. They took out all the cabinets, the stoves, everything down to the floor, and replaced the floor everywhere. It's in excellent condition. I got a 4-burn propane stove. We have the oven. Just cooked some pizza the other night. I got a little storage bin I made up myself. You got your cover, so that basic 4-burner stove cover. It's a Wedgwood oven burner. It's got a vent fan. You got your basic Sylvania microwave oven. I got my little vent up there above the kitchen. There's my sink. Got a little storage bin area up here, very good storage. And then in here you got more storage cabinets. Put my tools, basic stuff in there. 3 drawers. Got my monitor here. Keeps track of the holding tanks, freshwater, blackwater, freshwater tank, LP gas, battery connector. Then you have your hot water heater that my girlfriend always used to turn on whenever she wanted to turn the pump on. The pump turns on right there. Basic light systems. Put some LED lights in there. I've got these curtains are pretty cool. Just go up and down. No big problems with that. I've got little LED lights that I put there so I don't have to use the battery. And I got a little pantry right here. Holds a bunch of stuff, which is good. Put your little basic stoppers in here to keep stuff from falling out. I got another little storage area over here where I keep all the blankets and the pillows. You could use it for hanging clothes if you need to. Got this little basket I just use to hang up goodies when I get underway. I obviously remove it and put it down in the chair. Get your basic bench style seat, booth, table. And here's the hot water heater. The hot water vent. The heater, I should say. The heater vent. And then you got your curtains over there, a big window. This window or curtain obviously comes up. I love those curtains. Big window, slide window. I had to fix this screen here, which is a bitch. If you guys got comments, let me know. I'll let you know how I did it. It worked out really good. Then you have another seat right here. The fresh water tank is underneath there. More storage up here. More storage up here. See those? And I got a couple other storage units up here. My speakers, my radio. Very good storage. Another window, just big one, a curtain. And you have your basic, I guess this could be a twin bed. Folds down into a twin bed. There you go. Very simple method. Obviously everybody knows about that. Everybody's seen it. If you got a Class C, you've seen this situation. You just pull it up like that, and you're back to a little bench seat. There's a view from the cockpit to the back. More lights. Flooring is very well. You got your heater vent right there. Got another heater vent in the bathroom. Got some power outlets. Got my Megatech converter. This is the full bed up here. I sleep up there. Got the windows. I got them insulated. I made some window coverings that keep the heat out, which works out really good. And I got a little fan up here. Works out really good, those heaters. And I got a cool little schmooze or whatever they call power outlet. It's good for watching. Plug the TV in there. My little 12 volt. It's got I'll go over that another time. Got the sticks, clubs down there. Got this little TCL Roku TV. And I just basically set it up on the back of this cabinet here. And you can see the wood that I had a little, I think it's a 1x6 in the back. So when I screwed the screws through over here, the TV's like, it's been like this for about almost a year and a half, and it's perfectly held. It swivels, obviously. back and forth. And you got your basic G30 van cockpit. Very comfortable ride. And I got the Norcold refrigerator. Very basic. Everybody should probably know about that. It's electric and gas. I can put it on auto. Whenever I get power, 30 amp power in there, it automatically converts to electric. When I disconnect it, it converts to LP. I got it in normal operation. You got a storage button. You got your temperature controller, electric, check when the battery goes out, and then you got your gas. So freezer, very good size refrigerator. Basically have it empty right now because I just pulled in and had to defrost it for my trip. And then you got the inside, obviously. Very spacious little refrigerator for one or two people. Class C is very comfortable for one or two people. I mean, if you have a couple with a couple of little kids, it's totally fine. People go, oh, it's kind of you're camping, guys. You're on the road, you're camping. This is a fun little ride. The kids love it. Got another little storage area down here. Just basic stuff I put in there. I have a storage area also down here underneath the couch, but I took this door out because it's a pain in the butt to get in and out of it. I just keep my little things that I might need on the road. And I just got the little sheet over the top of it. Okay, and then you got the restroom. Pretty basic Class C bathroom. Shower, I use it quite often. Very convenient. I take a lot of Navy showers. That's where I just wet down, soap up, and then wet down again. The sink. And you got the little fan here again. I got to replace that fan there. It's a little broken, so it makes a little extra noise than it should. Obviously, little LED lights, mirror. Got little hooks there. Another little space storage area down there. And that's the basic Class C motorhome, ladies and gentlemen. I love it. It's very comfortable. You know, I pull over, pop in some lunch, turn the TV on. I got a little HD antenna back there. These are little HD antennas that stick up on the window, a little black square. You've seen them all in Walmart, Target. They work really good. I got I think 15 HD channels right now, and I'm in the trees. But when you're out in the open, you can get probably 20 something. When I was in Cottage Grove, coming up here, I had something like 27 HD channels. It was awesome, and he even had a channel list. That's how great reception I was getting. But there's my baby, the Hornet. And thanks, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. Do me a favor, please subscribe and like, and let me know if anybody else has any other questions. Have a great day.